Good afternoon, viewers and listeners. Welcome to this fascinating and incredible interview with the Catholic Education Secretariat Cooperative Credit Union CEO and manager. Stay tuned and be with us till the end of the interview. And please subscribe, share, and like, and ring the notification bell for more upcoming events. Yeah, as manager of Catholic Educational Secretariat
Cooperative Credit Union. Yes.
Company Limited. What are the things? Because we know it's difficult really. Work like this is a burden for the whole nations, depending on insurance like this in terms of cooperative credit union. What are the things you think are some of the challenges you're observing with some of these customers, entrepreneur transactions, and can you give us some brief references that you're observing within your service, your office, and also some customers?
Thank you very much, Mr. Yaja. Thank you for having me here, and I greet you all. I am St. Pierre L. Mendy, the Chief Executive Officer for CESCO, which is the Catholic Education Secretariat Cooperative Credit Union. This credit union has been in existence since 1997, and it was actually started by the teachers of St. Teresa's, and these have grown beyond the teachers now, even beyond the Catholic mission, and beyond just the civil servants, but even those in the other commerce areas, like those who are selling at the market, the legal practitioners, medical doctors, are all part of this credit union. So coverage, since we opened the common bond, we are now accepting all those who are working in or earning finance in one way or the other. Yes. So the credit union, we deal with all categories of people. We have children's accounts here. So even those who are minors can open account with us through their parents. And those who are already working, either being employed or are creating employment, so far you are in one way or the other earning, you are welcome to bank with us as a credit union.
Yeah, thank you very much. Like you gave reference to was since you start this credit union 1997, it shows that you have taken more than 10 years now, a decade.
Yes.
As you shows your achievement, you partner with not only the mission teachers, we partner with some members of the communities, both the rural areas and urban areas. And you say some other teachers from government, they are also benefiting, admiring this effort of yours. And as the chief executive officers, you can give me references of who are the many people benefit without the mission teachers only?
Yes, the credit union, as you get the name, is for credits. Basically, that is it. So it started with the teachers, like I said, and the teachers can access loans. But since we opened the common bond, it's for all members. And these members, some are in the rural areas, some are here in the urban areas. As you see, here is the headquarters at St. Teresa's premises here in Carnifil. We have branches in Brikama and Farafenye, and we also have at Bara. We have at Biam about to open, and Lamen about to open, just to create access points for all our members nationwide. We are into share branching, where we are working with other credit unions like the Gambia Police Force Cooperative Credit Union. Through them, we are serving our members in Basse, okay, and other areas where we are not, and they are there, we are also serving our members. So the credit union, all sorts of people are benefiting through loans. We have various products, of course, just like banking, we do savings, and we also, that is through deposits, and we also give out loans. Like the consumer products. The consumer products, these are where members would come in and say, for example, I need a laptop. Say, for example, I need a compound. Say, for example, I need a fridge. Say, I need a furnishing. and so on and so forth. Like the Ramadan is coming, the Lenten season also is coming, coincidentally, almost at the same month. We have products that we give out kind of on soft loans. We give you these products like for food, be it rice, sugar, onions, potatoes, and so on. You take and you pay within a period of 3 months, 3 to 6 months. So we also give all our loans on a discounted rate. Our rates are cheaper than the normal commercial bank rates. The maximum interest rate for all loans, maximum, is only 15%. This is what we do. So our members benefit from us in various aspects, either through saving with us or through accessing loans from us, or saving, keeping their money, or access to education, or access to other consumer products, and so on and so forth. We give land, plots of land for our members. We support in building. We have what we call brick lending, and we also have what we can do building for you. People who are in the diaspora can send money through credit union. We have Susan Aminata remittance product where they can send money to us and they come and pick. So, and those also who are with us are all banking with us in one way or the other. So these are some of the many products that we offer to our members nationwide.
Yeah, Mr. Mendy, as the CEO manager of this cooperative credit union, that shows that you're a humanitarian and philanthropist in any form. And you have the people at heart, and you have the people at mind. And I like your motive and visions towards the people in general. As you gave reference towards the Gambian police force, that's the country. Yeah, we are going through security sectors as you are creating more benefit towards securing loan or crediting with the Gambia Police Force. That shows that with their support financially, you are collaborating and you have inclusive efforts, you are participating. And again, you give reference towards the product, consumer product. But these consumer products are they going to be given on what basis are they going to be given? And you said, because I remember again, what time will somebody be banking with you and
Okay.
is opportune to subside all these products? What
Okay.
time was then?
Okay. In the Gambia, our head office is NACUC, that is the National Cooperative Credit Union of the Gambia. Under NACUC, we have several credit unions, that's cooperative credit unions, one of which is GPF CCU, that is the Gambia Police Force Cooperative Credit Union. But it's not the only one. We have others alike. Okay, we are up to 50 something credit unions in the country. We have 14 top credit unions where we are supervised directly by NACUC, Central Bank, and the Registrar of Cooperatives. So we are supervised. I call the GPFCCU because we have this special product which we actually benefit because it is one of our core principles, that is cooperation among cooperatives. So this product is known as share branching, where if a credit union is in a particular location, like in Basse, GPFCCU, for example, they have their credit union branch in Basse. And SESCO, we have our members who are also at Basse, and they need to be served. Instead of SESCO going to Basse and opening a full-fledged branch, we can now work with GPF, who will now be able to serve our own members, and they access our platforms to be able to serve our members in Basse in their own branch. Salary time, we serve all our teachers go to GPFCCU branch and they will be served from there as if they are in SESCO. This is what we say share branching. This is what is common and is unique among the cooperative credit unions. Now, coming to the products, the loan products or facilities, you say, how long does it take one to benefit? You have to bank with us, one. And in opening an account with us, if you hear my language, I keep using members. I don't use customers, because those who are with us are called members because they have shares account with us. Okay? Anyone who is coming here to open an account, you start by what? By buying shares from us. Each share is $300. So two shares is $600. So this is what you start with. Then you also open your savings account alongside, which is a minimum of $500. And then you have a registration fee of $100. That makes it $1,200 as your opening balance. Okay? So when you open your account, then you now keep saving with us and transacting with us for a minimum of 3 months. Then after 3 months, let's say 3 to 6 months, but a minimum of 3 months, then after that, you will be able to access facilities based on the amount that you save with us. So this is how we do as a credit union.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Mr. Mendy, manager of Catholic Educational Secretary, Cooperative Credit Union Limited. Again, like you said, you have opened the provincial areas like Farafenye, Basse, and
Bara.
Bara, and others. Now, how you think, because you always have a particular schedule when you open and you expect customer to come, since when, Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday?
Okay, our branches all everywhere we are open from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. On Fridays, we recognize break time from 1:30 to 2:30, and then after 2:30, we continue working up to 4 o'clock in the evenings.
Yeah,
These are working hours.
yeah. As manager, you have really give an exclusive point of view we are expecting. And the second questions and the last one again. And what are the things you have achieved? Because with all you have highlighted, the corporations you have with GPU, CCU, and also since when you opened 1997, and what are the things that others benefit? And you have corporations with the Gambian Teachers Credit Union also, and also how the consumer product are benefited through by which channel and what channel. And can you please give a better reference how teachers that are not under missions, like we have private school teachers, we have private schools, we have government schools, we have mission schools, and what are the things you want them to understand in all these finance transactions?
Okay, well, to tell you the facts, credit unions seem to be undermined or underrated in this country. Many people don't know much about credit unions. When you hear banking, everybody's rushing to the commercial banks. I will tell you that the credit unions are far cheaper and are more beneficial to anybody of every level of work that you may find yourself, whether you are an employee or an employer, whether you are an entrepreneurial or you are whatever category. I will tell you, banking with the cooperative credit union is better for you. One of the achievements that we always register, recognize very well as a credit union, is our cooperative social responsibility. We have the community at heart and they have us at heart. We belong to communities and you'll see it in us. And they belong naturally to the credit union. We are not dealing with customer bank relationship where people have only money in between them. Without money, there's no. We go beyond the monetary aspect. We deal with the person. Okay. Some of our products actually include health needs. So you have an account with us. You are a member of the credit union, but you are challenged health wise. The credit union is there to stand for you. I'll give you one example that stands out. For example, you have an amount, a savings balance of, let's say, $100,000, and you are already servicing a loan. Let's say the loan is $200,000 that you are owing the credit union. God forbid you happen to have an accident where, not fatal, okay, you are alive though, but you cannot really be functional again in any capacity to do work. So what do? You are no more earning, you are no more working, but you have a savings of, let's say, $100,000, and you have a loan that you are servicing, which is up to $200,000. Come back to the credit union, explain your situation to the credit union. We have a cover for you, LSGS, where we are going to absorb the loan that you have with us up to $200,000, and you will still access your $100,000 with the credit union. It's only in the cooperative credit union that you can get this, nowhere else. This is one of our products that we have. Number two, as a member of the credit union, we want to understand your situation to be able to serve you better. Whether you are a teacher or any class of civil service that you find yourself, SESCO is open for you. Come and bank with us, and we will be able to serve you better. With all your needs, just explain your situation. We will see how best to support each other. Because you are a family, remember? That's why you are a member of us, of the cooperative credit.
Yeah.
So this is how we work.
Yeah, thank you very much, Mr. Mendy. As it shows that your credit cooperative credit union have concern, have not only membership concern but family concerns in health wise, anything else that based on humanity. That really shows that you have concern for all ways of life, all
Yes.
civil servants.
Yes.
Really, this is Mr. Yaja, as today serve as 21st of February 2025, and we are here to discuss with the managers of Catholic Education and Secretariat Cooperative Credit Union about the challenges and what are the things that they always do for the people in the nation, while all civil servants in lives or in the nation as Gambians. And we also get from him what he has for the people and what they want from him as a manager and what they want from the company or the credit unions. The which shows that they are in all concern, they have commitment, concern, and care for all members. And we would like you for you to cooperate with this credit union, which will serve as your own benefit. And we also that we come, we benefit greatly. As I talking to you, I work as a staff and I always try to benefit greatly from credit union. I'd like you for you to join, partner with this credit union. Thank you very much, Mr. Aja.